Hi everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. This is a requested video from one of my subscriber, and in this video I am showing few designer outfits which a teenagers can try in this wedding season. So please continue watching the video till the end. I hope you will get some idea about the stylings you can do with the outfits too. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends too, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.